Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a June 24, 31 variant question number 5. Topic is a differentiation. And what a question we have. We have a question, they are dividing each other. So what is the rule we have for dividing? So let's start dividing criteria. It's called quotient rule. Sometimes students put a wrong order. So be careful about the order. So square of the denominator, step number 1, which you squared, copy as it is, into derivative of the numerator, and minus sign always, and then reverse, you copy in B dash. So I think formula is very clear. So let's complete how to start a question. Now have a look. So first of all, I'm writing square of the denominator. So cos square x already present and power 2 on top, which I have squared. I will copy as it is first of all into derivative of the power. And then I will write minus sign, and afterwards I will copy e to power sin x, copy into derivative of the denominator. So which is I'm writing now below here. Okay, inside. Okay, so let's see. So what is derivative, student, of this inside? You know it very well. I just explain you what is a e to power 2x derivative. So derivative of this part is what? First you copy as it is into power derivative. So same here. So first of all, e to power sin x, copy into powers derivative, and that is a cos x. Okay, now let's try to do the other one. How to deal with the cos square. So basically, what is the criteria? And if a power is there, for example, this power comes down and power 1 less, multiply only base derivative. So same story here. So what I do here, 2 comes down and power of cos becomes 1, and multiply the base derivative, which is what? Negative sin x. So this part is very clear. And he asked me stationary coordinate. I will plug in derivative is equal to 0. But before I take a common part, negative, okay, first of all, check it please. E to power sin x present in both. So e to power sin x, I will take common out. This is a very clear. So how many cos? Here single cos and here single cos. So this single cos also common out. Okay, what left from here? Check it carefully. This cos gone, this gone, so cos square left inside. Cos square left inside. And from here, this negative into negative will give us positive. So this gone and cos gone. So 2 and sine left inside. 2 and sine left inside. So I hope so this part is very clear. And here I have a cos to power 4. And this will cancel and power 3 comes. And that cos power 3 goes multiplied there and will cancel out. A short story. I have a e to power sin x, and I have a in the bracket cos square plus 2 sin x left behind. Okay, afterwards what to do? So have a look now. I think this part is very clear. Now going to complete it. So we have to find from 0 to pi x values. So either this part equal to 0 and this part equal to 0. So I'm writing both, but I will give one reason why it could not be 0. Reason, whenever I want to bring the power down, I will take a log of both sides. When I take a log of both sides, and log of 0 is infinity. So that is why it is impossible, undefined answer. So I have this to solve only. But do you know sine is there? But we have a cos square. And what is the cos square value? 1 minus sine square x into 2x is equal to 0. I'm reordering. Say first of all, sine square positive, this 2 sin x negative, and 1 become negative. So I think this part is clear. Okay, afterwards what to do? So afterwards I will apply two choices. I think because he asking us, okay, we have to go for a quadratic formula because maybe factorization is not possible. Factorization not possible, we'll go for quadratic formula. So I'm writing here sin x. And what is a value, student? All of you familiar, a value is 1. And what is the B value is -2. And C value is -1. So formula negative B plus and minus B square minus 4A into C by 2. Okay, so let's try to complete 2 plus and minus. And I got a 4 and minus plus 4 plus 4, 8, 2 root 2. Because root of 8 is 2 root 2. And I got 2. So if I take common from top, 2 common out, and 2 to common out, look at students, if I take 2 common like this, 1 plus and minus root 2 left inside, and that 2 cancel. So I'm just showing you directly. So sin x is equals to 1 plus root 2, and sin x is equals to 1 minus root 2. So, okay, mostly I'm trying with a manually without calculator. Okay, check it. Now, thing is important here. If I check it, this becomes a 1. This is a crossing. Highest value of sine is what? Is a plus 1. And lowest value is minus 1. In the middle, okay, but above is not possible, below, not possible. And we check it in calculator. So this become what, student? Sin x is equal to 2.4 something, which is a crossing the limit. It is just right here, no solution. Right here, no solution. So solution will come from here, and now I'm going to type it in calculator. First of all, it is a negative. If you type in calculator 1 minus root 2, it give you negative 0.4142. Okay, so this value is naturally sign negative. Which quadrant negative sign is negative? Here and here. So I will take the sine inverse. Okay, I take as alpha and sine inverse of 1 minus root 2. If I take in radian mode, sine inverse of answer, I'm getting here alpha is equal to 0.427 is coming in radians. So 0.427, 0.427. Okay. Now, student, what is my first answer? Always start from here and completing till here and here. So we have to say this is what pi plus that. One answer is pi plus that. So my answer is turned to be pi plus 0.427. And second is a 2 pi minus that. So 2 pi minus. So I'm finding the first answer and pi plus. So pi plus 0.427. My first answer is turned to be 3.57. And let me check second one. 2 pi minus 0.427. And my answer is turned to be 5.86. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe the concept is completely over and question is completely done.